Hi guys, a lot of people want to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing on their Instagram. So if you are one of these people and you want to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing, here is exactly how you can fix this problem, and then you will update the update messaging on your Instagram settings. Now just follow the steps guys, and you want to click three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click settings, and in the top here you will see update messaging. If you can see it, click it. If you don't see it, don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add that just like I did, and the problem will be fixed in no time. Now just follow the steps and you will be able to update messaging on your Instagram, so that you can reply to a specific message, you can just react to a specific message, you can do multiple things after you update messaging on your Instagram settings. Now let's say that you don't have that feature guys on your Instagram. Don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add that feature. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 methods on how you can add it. Now the first method guys is to go to your App Store or Play Store, depends on what phone you are using. If you are using Android, Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and then search for Instagram. Okay, now after guys you search for Instagram, click on Instagram and click on update. Now you will have the latest update, because this is a new update. This is like a new feature that Instagram has released in the last few months. Now you have to update up to the latest version before you can use that feature. Now update it and see if there is that feature where you can see update messaging. Now if there is, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 other methods which will work for you. So if you click on settings after you update the Instagram app on the App Store or Play Store, and you still don't see that feature here is exactly how you can fix this. Okay, this is really easy guys. All you have to do, you want to just click on your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then you want to click on 3 little lines in the top right. Okay, now what you want to do guys, you want to just click on settings in the top, and then you want to click on help, and then you want to click on report a problem, and then click again report a problem without shaking. I will show you another method guys which will work for you. Now just follow these steps, because everything really helps each other. Like if you do this step, then you will have a very good chance that you will be able to update messaging today. Okay, you want to just click on don't include and continue, and then here you will have to contact Instagram and tell them that the update messaging option not showing on your account. Just tell them Instagram messenger update not showing on my account settings. So that's exactly what you want to type here. You just want to explain to Instagram, hi, it doesn't work, I don't see update messaging on my settings, please fix this. That's all you need to do guys. It's not some complicated stuff. You want to click send in the top right, and you will get back to you within a few hours, just like I did. Okay, now if you don't want to wait, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of other methods that you can use. Okay, now the first thing guys you need to do, you want to go to your settings. If you are using iPhone or Android, you want to go to settings and click on general, and after that guys you want to click on language and region, and then click on iPhone language in the top and change your language to UK English. Okay, it says here UK. I can't click it because it will stop recording. When you click on UK English, then you will see the update messaging on your settings. Hopefully you will see it, because this will not work for everyone. If it doesn't show up, just wait a few hours. Don't worry, this will be fixed 100%. This will be like, just because you contacted Instagram, they will find a solution for you within a few hours. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment, so drop a like on this